Portable air conditioner. About this item, first, personal air cooler and air humidifier. It is not only a personal air cooler, but also an air humidifier. Second, adjustable wind speeds and automatic timing. 3 wind speeds, high, medium, low, can be adjusted. Manual up-down to adjust blowing direction within 60 degrees Celsius to meet your different needs. Third, color lights and low noise. The misting fan has soft colors and one fade choices in all. Place in dining or coffee table to create a romantic atmosphere. Desktop air cooler fan can work powerfully at a low noise level, let you enjoy a comfortable sleep all night with suitable temperature. Fourth, timing function. 3 kinds of automatic timing. 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours. You can choose the most suitable one to enjoy your leisure time, sleep, or working time. For more details, visit link in description box.